Hey guys, Pat here from Rain Country again, and I have a question for you guys. Let's have a show of hands of any of you out there that have lost your chuck key for your drill or your drill press. Anyway, I have a solution to that problem in relationship to the drill presses. So a couple of years I installed something on my larger drill press that I'm glad I did. It's really resourceful and helpful to do this, and I thought I'd pass this tip along in case you guys were unaware of it. So here I have my Delta drill press. I've had this old thing for years. Bought it new back in the turn of the century. I don't remember, but it's been a long time. But I installed this retractable, this is actually for keys, and it's a retractable deal that's supposed to hang on your belt or hang on your pocket, and it's for keeping your keys safe, keeping them on your person. And all I have to do is you know, that's up and out of the way, so all I have to do is just pull it down and just insert it in the chuck like that, and it goes right back into place. So it's pretty handy. I got this in here a couple of years back, and I bought it in a garage sale for $10. It's a stout, sturdy little benchtop Rockwell Delta. It's a pretty cool little drill press. It wasn't actually in that bad a shape when I purchased it, and it has all kinds of different functions on it where you can articulate the head on it. This locks it into a 90 degree position here, but you can rotate this at any angle. Well, not any angle obviously. Well, actually you can set that at any angle, but it runs back and forth, forwards and backwards, and this will index it back to 90 degrees perpendicular to the table. Anyway, the other day me and Heidi and I went to the store and I picked up one of these little deals. I thought it was only about $3.50, where those retractable keychains were like $12. So I thought I'd give one of these a try. I've selected this corner up here. It's a good place. It'll be out of the way. If I put it on the right hand side, I got the handle over here, the raise and lower handle for the elevation of the blade, or the bit, or most of the functions are on this side. So I thought the other side would be best. And I just drilled a little hole in the handle of the chuck key. Okay, test operation. Well, I guess I don't like it as much as the retractable key model, but it definitely works better than, you know, finding this kicked around in the sawdust. I haven't lost this yet, but I have lost chuck keys in the past, so these will work really handy. So I hope that helps somebody out in order to help save you from losing your chuck key for your drill or your drill press. I also fasten my chuck keys to my drill cord, so I don't lose those as well. So anyway, hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.